Okay, possum trap redwood, take 2. So we've put in a couple of wedges on the side, still got our big ones in the back doubled up, another couple of wedges on the side, just give it a bit of extra lift. And because we noticed that that hinge wood's quite brittle, timber's quite brittle in general, I think. We're going to go easy on those side ones, because if we hammer them too hard, she's going to probably break that hinge wood one way or the other. Man, it's got some lift in it now. I think she's on her way. She? No, it stopped again. But yeah, that made a huge difference having those ones on the side. Just take a bit of the weight. So she's, I won't say it's a foregone conclusion yet, but she's getting there. Yeah, those are loose. Just top those up a little bit. Oh, come on. How far are we going here? Yeah, she's well balanced, alright. Tree jack. Or one of those power drill wedges. Oh, she's cracking. She's not far off at all, I don't think. But as I say, I'm not very experienced with redwoods. Should have bought more big wedges, eh? Oops. Don't need a drift. Yep. I'd say our wedges are a bit small, even though I'm pretty sure those are 12-inch. Yeah. Oh well. Shit. Woo-wee. She's a miss. Come on, tree. Tip over. Easy our breeze. Come on. I into the wind gods. Yeah. It's definitely going. They're getting looser all the time. But you're sort of getting to the point where you're like, well, how far do those wedges go in before they don't have lift or leverage on the back, you know? Yeah. Oh, no, I think she's going. Yeah. Yeah, cracking. This fiber's going. Which way she goes? Here she goes. Nice. We cut some more, but much more. Yeah, we did it again. We've got to be careful when we come in on that side. Oh, it's a bit rotten, isn't it? Fuck. That's a terrible tree. Oh well, I have to cut a bit off that. She's split in 1, 2, 3, 4 directions. So we'll cut a ring of firewood off it and see how far that goes up. So yeah, again the hinge wood's not great, but I think if you added it all up, it'd probably still come in at pretty close to 10%. And my angle's off a bit too. Still went there though, that's good. Yep. It's down, I'm happy.